Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So here we have someone with some very long hair. Her hair looks like it's probably around tailbone length or so. So the stylist has the scissors and begins to cut. Oh, wow. Look at this long angled bob haircuts. Absolutely breathtaking, and the color looks so beautiful. So here we have someone with a bob, and she mixes it up with a pixie. Cute little asymmetrical pixie cut here. So here we have one of my favorite short hair influencers. She does have platinum hair here. The stylist kind of shapes up that pixie and she goes pink. Such a fun summer style. I love it. So here we have another big chop. Oh, looks like she's getting a pixie. Oh, wow. So cute. So here we have someone with a bob. Definitely getting some face framing bangs for this makeover. Going shorter. Beautiful. I love how much volume the stylist was able to achieve with that cut, and her makeup looks so beautiful. So here we have someone with a bob yet again, getting a cut refresh. And it looks like she got a Bixie or a pixie bob makeover here. Hair is longer in the front, shorter in the back. Oh, this is so cute. I love the overall shape. So here we have someone with hair around just above the shoulders. I really like the stylist hair here too. And she gets a nice, fresh, jaw length style bob. So here we have someone rocking out shoulder length hair, and bam! Beautiful Bixie haircut. I love the carefree 90s vibe that she has here with this cut. Very cute. So we move into our next makeover. We see someone with long curly hair. The stylist begins to cut. She is definitely going quite short for this makeover. And all that long curly hair is gone, and she gets a cute little taper cut style with a design on the side. And this is a very popular cut for the curly girls. So next up, we see someone with blonde hair and she's dancing her way into her new hairstyle. Which involves a brighter blonde. Ooh. She is ready for summer with this hair color. So pretty. So here we have someone with very long hair. And she gets the hair chopped into this stylish and chic pixie. So beautiful. What a gorgeous makeover. I absolutely love the shape of this cut. So the stylist places the hair in a rubber band and cuts the hair right off. Oh, we have another cute and chic Bixie style makeover. Such a cute cut. I love the overall shape and texture her hair has. So here we have someone with the long, medium back length hair. It looks like she wants a Kim Kardashian inspired bob. Gorgeous, beautiful center part here. Very nice. So here we have someone with a bob. It looks like she's going to go shorter with more of a traditional bob shape. The stylist chops off the hair. It looks like she might be getting maybe even like a pixie bob here. Ooh, oh, this is just a gorgeous angled bob. This is so refreshing to me because a lot of the bobs that I'm seeing nowadays are more of that like old school money bob and the bob with the curtain bangs. But this is so nice to see our fresh classic angled bob haircut with the swoop bangs going across the eye. So pretty.